Hi guys, we have our sample project open and inside our project we have the baby room background and on the second layer we have the baby picture. But the problem here, our baby have a white background. So how to remove this background? It's really simple. There are two ways. The first one, right click, break apart. Click on somewhere else, then go to left side. From here, left click, hold, select magic wand, then go to right side. Threshold by default is 20. Now select the white area. As you can see, some of the areas are not selected. So increase the threshold a little bit, like 30. Then select the white area again. Now press on delete. As you can see, we still have some extra areas. So press on E for eraser, then remove the area. Our second option, right click on the image, trace bitmap. Color threshold 70, minimum area 1 pixel, corner threshold many corners and the curve fit pixels. If you cannot able to get your desired result, just play with this color threshold. Now it's 70, press on OK, click on somewhere else. Now it's like a vector art. Just select the part you want to delete. So single left click, then press on delete. Now let me show you the difference between the color threshold 70 and 100. If you look closely, we have a shadow here. But if we use the value 100 as color threshold, see, the shadow is gone. That's why we need to play with the color threshold. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.